If you're an owner of a Kidde Trusense smoke or carbon monoxide alarm, contact Kidde and get a free replacement because Kidde has recalled over 200,000 of these Kidde Trusense smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. This particular model is a 2070 VDSR. If you don't know you have a Trusense, look at Kidde's PDF file so you can indicate if there is a Trusense label on the front, or text that says Amber Fault printed on the front of the alarm. So what's been happening with these Kidde Trusense units? Why were they recalled? It's simple. They were failing to detect smoke and fire. According to USA Today, you'll need to submit a claim and upload photos of your individual Trusense alarms, and they should send you a free replacement. Your replacement should arrive within 3 business days, and while it's being shipped, make sure you keep your Trusenses up. When your free replacement arrives, you could replace your hardwired or battery-operated Trusense smoke or carbon monoxide alarm with your free replacement. If you want to learn how to replace your hardwired or battery-operated smoke alarm, you can look at the links in the description below. This isn't Kidde's first recall, so as you can see, these two alarms may look familiar right here. COSM series and the Kidde dual sensor series. These basically had dust caps on the sensors. It's these particular ones that I have don't have caps on the sensors. So the point of this video was to make sure everybody knows about this recall. If you're an owner of a Trusense smoke or carbon monoxide alarm, again from the 2040 to 2070 series. If you're an owner of these alarms, make sure you contact Kidde immediately.